Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the easiest and luckiest solve on 3x3. What's going on guys, HumanCube right here, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be looking at some of the easiest and luckiest scramble that I got from you guys, and probably some of them I got it from the internet. So yeah, before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe and like as a support to my channel. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Special thanks to AmazingCuber for sending this over. This is a yellow over scramble. Actually, it's quite tricky to say to give out a full X cross with one pair of F2L, and it comes with two EASIEST swap for green and red as well. So great job to AmazingCuber and thank you for sending this over. Anyway, special thanks to Effortless Cuber for sending this scramble over as well. This is a solid white for me, 2 free F2L pairs, but I still kind of need to solve a overhead for the green part, but it still count as a lucky one for this scramble. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of the solve. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Anyway, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel as well. For any further collaboration, do message me through my Instagram account. I'll see you next time and see you in the next video.